Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will do question number 3, 4, 5 for exercise 5.2. Okay, question 1 and 2 हम last video में already कर चुके हैं. You can check the previous videos for basics and previous questions. Okay, so question number 3 is we have to convert each of the following complex numbers given in exercise 3 to 5 in the polar form. Okay, means आपको कोई भी जो भी complex number दिया है we have to convert it into polar form. Polar form means r cos theta plus iota sin theta. आपको complex number को इस form में convert करना है. Okay, so we have to find r and theta, है ना? So we know that r is modulus and theta is amplitude. And how we can find it? This is modulus. Okay. So z is equals to x plus iota y. On comparing real and imaginary parts, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1. Okay, we know that how we can find r. Modulus is equals to square root of real part का square plus imaginary part square, है ना? तो which will be equals to 1 square plus minus 1 square, which will be equals to root of 1 plus 1 root 2. तो r की वैल्यू आपके पास क्या आ गई √2. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड थीटा. फॉर थीटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड अल्फा, है ना? अल्फा ही फाइंड करते हैं ना, विच इज इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट इनवर्स मॉडुलस ऑफ y ओवर x, विच इज इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट इनवर्स व्हाट इज y इज -1 एंड x इज 1. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट इनवर्स मॉडुलस ऑफ 1. Okay, which will be equals to tangent inverse tangent of pi by 4. Okay, after solving we will get alpha is equals to pi by 4. Okay, but हमें find करना है theta. We know that we will check that in which quadrant alpha lies. Okay, in which quadrant x and y lies. So clearly we can observe that here we have positives. Here we have positives, positive x-axis, and here we have negatives. Here also we have negatives, है ना? So x is positive, y is negative. X positive, y negative. So this will lie in fourth quadrant. 1 minus 1 will lie in fourth quadrant. So theta will be equals to minus of alpha. You all know that, है ना? If it is in first quadrant, theta is equals to alpha. In second quadrant, theta is equals to pi minus alpha. In fourth quadrant, theta is equals to negative of pi minus alpha. Okay, so theta क्या आ जाएगा? So theta is equals to minus of pi by 4. Okay, so we have to convert 1 minus iota into polar form. Polar form is r cos theta. R is √2 cos theta is minus of pi by 4 plus iota sin minus pi by 4. Okay, so this will be equals to √2. We know that cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. So this will be cos pi by 4 plus iota sin minus theta is equals to minus of sin theta. So this will be minus iota sin pi by 4. So this is polar representation of 1 minus iota. Now question number 4, z is equals to -1 plus iota. Okay, so z is equals to -1 plus iota is equals to x plus iota y, because this is a complex number. On equating real and imaginary part, x is equals to -1 and y is equals to 1. Okay, r will be root of -1 square plus 1 square. This will be 1 plus 1, which is √2. Now we have to find alpha. Alpha is equals to tangent inverse of modulus of y over x, which will be equals to tangent inverse y is 1, x is -1. Okay, after solving we will get tangent inverse 1, which will be equals to pi by 4. Okay, but we have to find theta. Okay, so now we will check here. X is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive, so theta lies in second quadrant. As here theta lies in second quadrant, so थीटा विल बी इक्वल्स टू पाई माइनस अल्फा. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में थीटा क्या होता है? पाई माइनस अल्फा. ओके, व्हाट इज अल्फा? अल्फा इज पाई बाय 4. सो थीटा की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? 4 पाई माइनस पाई बाय 4 विच इज 3 पाई बाय 4. सो आपको पोलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आर और थीटा चाहिए था, वो हमने फाइंड कर लिया. सो 1 -1 प्लस आइटा. So -1 plus iota is equals to √2 cos 3 pi by 4 plus iota sin 3 pi by 4. This will be your answer. This is polar form of -1 plus iota. Let's discuss question number 5, which is -1 minus iota. We have to convert it into polar form. Okay. So find क्या करना है? R and theta. Okay. So this is equals to, solution will be z is equals to -1 minus iota, which is equals to x plus iota y. On equating real and imaginary parts, we will get x is equals to -1 and y is equals to -1. Okay. मॉडुलस आपको पता है क्या होगा? रियल पार्ट का स्क्वायर प्लस इमेजिनरी पार्ट का स्क्वायर. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू -1 स्क्वायर प्लस -1 स्क्वायर. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस 1 विच इज √2. सो आर की वैल्यू क्या आ गई आपके पास? √2. दिस इज मॉडुलस. वी हैव टू फाइंड अल्फा. अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट इनवर्स मॉडुलस ऑफ y ओवर x, विच इज इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट इनवर्स मॉडुलस ऑफ y मीन्स -1 ओवर -1 का मॉडुलस, विच विल बी इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट इनवर्स ऑफ 1 विच इज इक्वल्स टू पाई बाय 4. अल्फा क्या आ गया आपके पास? पाई बाय 4. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड थीटा. थीटा के लिए सबसे पहले उसका क्वाड्रेंट चेक करना पड़ेगा. हेयर x is -1, y is -1. So both are negative. This will lie in third quadrant. Here theta lies in third quadrant. So theta will be equals to minus of pi minus alpha according to this. Okay, so this will be minus of pi minus pi by 4. This will be 4 pi minus pi by 4. This will be equals to minus of 3 pi by 4. Okay, now r and theta, r is √2 and theta is minus of 3 pi by 4. Now we can write this z -1 minus iota into polar form, which is r cos theta. R means √2 cos theta, which is -3 pi by 4 plus iota sin -3 pi by 4.